Galpin Ford is the #1 volume dealership in the world for 23 consecutive years. We have the largest inventory of new Fords to choose from. Here's the vehicle for you.
With high fuel economy, balanced performance, and high-tech power, the Ford Fusion Hybrid and Fusion Energy are captivating no matter how you look at them. With 4 Fusion Hybrid and 3 Fusion Energy models, there's one that's right for you. Experience a great ride and amazing efficiency while using both electric and gas power. The Fusion Hybrid seamlessly switches between both. This efficient combination delivers up to 43 miles per gallon, and you can go up to 85 miles an hour in all-electric mode. Fusion Energy models add a bigger battery and an electrical plug to the mix, so you can charge at home and drive farther. In fact, you can go up to 610 miles on a full charge and a full tank of gas, the best range in its class. When you slow down, you create energy. The regenerative braking system captures over 90% of that energy and uses it to help recharge the state-of-the-art lithium battery. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories and build a Fusion Hybrid or Fusion Energy of your own. The Ford Fusion Hybrid and Fusion Energy. Drive smarter.
Great deals, great service, and great people. That's what makes family-owned and operated Galpin Ford #1. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area for over 60 years. Galpin Ford has thousands of vehicles, and to better assist our customers, a friendly professional staff that speaks 21 different languages. When you visit, be sure and take advantage of our many amenities, including the horseless carriage restaurant and full-service Starbucks. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.